The current value of an Avalanche coin is 243.84 rands, with a price range of 240.26 to 245.35. The previous day's closing price was 242.27, indicating a positive move of 1.57 or 0.65%. The aim of this study is to analyze the anticipated rate of occurrence of avalanche slide incidents in the near future, namely within a monthly timeframe. The projected cost of an avalanche on Monday, July 31th is estimated to be 235 rands, with a high estimate of 251 rands and a low estimate of 219 rands. Additionally, the anticipated cost of an avalanche slide on Tuesday, August 1st is still to be determined. The projected cost of an avalanche on Wednesday, August 2nd, is expected to range between 219 and 253 rands. The recorded cost of the avalanche slide on Thursday, August 3rd, was 235 rands at its highest point and 251 rands at its lowest point. On the following day, Friday, August 4th, the anticipated cost of the avalanche slide was 236 rands at its highest point and 200 rands at its lowest point. On Monday, August 7th, the multi-week avalanche slide number ranged from 226 rands at its highest point to 242 rands at its lowest point. Conversely, on Tuesday, August 1st, the avalanche slide cost forecast was projected to range from 230 rands at its highest point to 246 rands at its lowest point. On Wednesday, August 2nd, the cost of avalanche slide figures ranged from 204 rands, low, to 219 rands, high. The subsequent cost on the same day ranged from 202 rands, low, to 217 rands, high. The anticipated cost of an avalanche slide on Thursday, August 3rd, is projected to range between 206 rands, low, to 236 rands, high. The avalanche incident that occurred on Friday, August 4th resulted in a total cost of 240 rams at the high end and 257 rams at the low end over a period of approximately 14 days. The anticipated cost of an avalanche slide on Monday, August 7th. On Tuesday, August 8th, the estimated cost for an avalanche slide was 232 rands at the high end and 248 rands at the low end. On Wednesday, August 9th, the cost forecast for an avalanche slide was 234 rands at the high end and 250 rands at the low end. The estimated cost of an avalanche slide on Thursday, August 10th is projected to range from 230 rands, high, to 246 rands, low, with a minor deviation. On Friday, August 11th, the cost forecast for an avalanche slide is expected to range from 246 rands, high, to 263 rands, low. This cost projection is applicable for a period of 3 weeks. The estimated cost of an avalanche slide on Monday, August 14th, was 253 rands, with a high estimate of 271 rands and a low estimate of 235 rands. On Tuesday, August 15th, the forecasted cost of an avalanche slide was 249 rands, with a high estimate of 266 rands and a low estimate of 232 rands. The conjectured cost of an avalanche slide on Wednesday, August 16th, was 244 rands, with a high estimate of 261 rands and a low estimate of 227 rands. The anticipated cost of an avalanche slide on Thursday, August 17th, is 238 rands. The highest value recorded was 255, while the lowest value recorded was 221. The occurrence of an avalanche slide on Friday, August 18th resulted in a financial impact ranging from 222 rands at its lowest to 256 rands at its highest over a period of approximately 1 month. The projected cost of an avalanche slide on Monday, August 21st, is estimated to range between 226 rands, low, and 260 rands, high. The occurrence of an avalanche on Tuesday, August 22nd resulted in a financial impact, with costs ranging from 228 rands at the lower end to 262 rands at the higher end. The projected Avalanche slide values for the years 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 are being examined. The projected cost of an Avalanche in November 2023 initially stands at 170 rands. However, the excessive costs reach 181 rands, while the low-cost estimate is 157 rands. Consequently, the average cost is determined to be the midway between these figures. The projected cost of Avalanche slides in the coming months is estimated to be 169 rands, with a slight variation of 0.6 rands expected for the month of November. Furthermore, it is anticipated that the cost of Avalanche slides in December 2023 will initially be 169 rands, which is considered to be an exorbitant expense. The cost of Avalanche slides was observed to be 182 rands initially, and then decreased to 158 rands, reaching a midpoint cost of 170 rands. In December, there was a slight change in cost, amounting to 0.6 rands. Looking ahead to January 2024, the projected cost of Avalanche slides is expected to be 170 rands. It is worth noting that the cost was found to be excessive at 170 rands, while a lower cost of 144 rands was observed, reaching a midpoint cost of 160 rands. There is a supposition regarding the cost of Avalanche slides during the months, with a 155-unit change seen for the month of January, representing an 8.8% increase. The initial price of the Avalanche slide conjecture for February 2024 was 155 rands, with the high cost being 193 rands and the low cost being 155 rands. The average cost was determined to be 171 rands. Bitcoin price prediction as trading volume drops to $10 billion over the weekend. Is a big move coming? Bitcoin is now worth $29,436, which is a small rise of about 0.5% from Saturday. As the weekend starts, people in the market are wondering if this low trade volume of $10 billion could be a sign of a big change in prices. In other news, the White House predicts that the CPI will go up a lot in 2023 and 2024, and FTX and Genesis will settle their ongoing bankruptcy fight. These changes add to the factors that affect Bitcoin's price, so investors should keep a close eye on the market for chances and risks. The White House thinks that inflation rates will go up in 2023 and 2024.